now in Wrangell St. Elias National Park, the largest national park in Alaska and in North America. It's really impressive. It's just massive mountains all around, and this is big time bear country. It's coming up to 7:30 at night, and we've got to try and find a campsite. And yeah, don't really know where's best. There could be bears anywhere, especially on this gravel banks here. We're going to look out for them.